The EWI building is a building located in the Netherlands in a part called the Randstad, in the city called Delft, in the TU, quite near the Faculty of Architecture. It's quite a high building. The EWI facade consists of several parts, every part being one floor. Every floor is its own climatical system. On every part, the sun works. It heats up the box. The wind blows in and near the box and regulates the ventilation of the outer facades. The EWI building, being quite a tall building, generates a lot of wind gusts. On the one side of the building there's a huge amount of air pressure, where on the other side there's a huge low. Every floor consists of 2 boxes. Every box has several windows where natural air can come in at the bottom. In the box, the air is heated up before it leaves the building. Sun blinds protect the facades from sunlight heating the building up too rapidly. The EWI building works with 2 separate parts. The first part, being the part between the 2 facades, has a ventilation system that ventilates only itself. The second part has air coming from the desks near the windows. The 2 systems don't cooperate together. Every floor in the EWI building works on its own. There is no connection between them, and there is no stack effect possible. There is no connection between the space between the facades and the inner building. The reference buildings is the GSW headquarters in Berlin. The air gets into the building on the one side, and it gets sucked out on the other side of the building, where a stack effect, regulated by the sun, sucks the air out of the building. Another reference building is the 1 Angel Square building in Manchester. This building gets heated up by the sun, the atrium gets heated up by the sun, and all the rooms have sun shading. Thermomass keeps the heat in. The double facade is ventilated loose from the rest of the building. The rest of the building is ventilated where the air comes in through an air duct to precondition air. All the air gets sucked out through the heated up atrium, where it completely leaves the building. The Gherkin building in London is another reference building. The plan is shaped with a round floor plan, so the amount of wind gusts will keep at a minimum, regardless of the wind direction. This is completely unlike EWI. Fresh air comes in through the double facade. The air heats up in the atrium and leaves through the roof.